Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Sanjeev, and today in this video, I want to talk more about niche selection and giving you more insights on what I actually look out for, especially if I'm doing a niche on YouTube. And when a complete beginner wants to do a YouTube automation channel, they pretty much get stuck on this particular thing, right? Because it's the first thing that they need to validate, especially in the beginning, so they can get success on their YouTube journey, right? And it also takes a majority of people's time to actually select the right niche, and they're always looking for this golden niche they can actually get into, which is like a blue ocean niche, and they want to get success just right off the bat, right? But all the niche that you want to get into has already been created, and the way that you can get success with any niche is pretty much go into like a blue ocean niche, right? Within that niche, what I'm actually meaning by that is, instead of you looking for a golden niche, what you can actually do is find a particular topic that's actually working, for example on a channel who is not even in your niche but who are getting tons of views, right? And I'll share with you perfect example very shortly, so make sure I stay all the way till the end. So what I actually mean by that is, if that channel is, for example, in a luxury channel, right, and they're getting millions upon millions of views, right? So what are the video ideas that they have actually created, which you can do, and you can put that on in your niche, right? So that's how we actually getting success on the platforms, right? And if you see one of the biggest creators on YouTube, they're pretty much doing this concept time and time again. And you don't need to be very creative on YouTube to be making a ton of money, right? You can just follow what the successful people are actually doing, right? So let me share with you what I actually mean by that. So you can see on here, it's talking about how Elon Musk spends $83 billion, right? So that's a awesome title. I can see this video alone got like 3.3 million views, right? And it was like 3 years ago. So what do successful channels do? They model each other. So instead of copying the title, instead of just copying the whole thing and doing another Elon Musk video, that's what normally the amateurs do, right? They just copy word for word. But to get success from this title, you need to be unique in a way, right? And what I actually mean by that is, see how they put how Elon Musk spends $83 billion, right? So that's an awesome title, and he works. So the concept that's actually working with that is how Elon Musk spends $83 billion, right? So it's a very, it's like a documentary style of channel video idea, right? So if I can also go and look for this same thing, and I put how Ronaldo spends his millions, right? So instead of billions, I just did millions. And you can see here clearly how Ronaldo spends, how Cristiano Ronaldo spends his millions. So instead of copying Elon Musk, they just change the name of another successful person who is Ronaldo, well-known soccer player, right? Sports icon, and they just change that little bit around, so they got massive amount of views. But when people actually model a channel, model a video, they pretty much copy word for word. So if they've done something regarding Elon Musk, what people do, they just copy word for word, right? And that's the reason that your channel might not be blowing, right? Because he might just be modeling a channel word for word, right? If they've done a video, for example, regarding Donald Trump, and if you do the same video, probably 1 million or 2 million or 10 million people have already watched that video. So it's good if you can take the concept and apply it to yours, right? So for example, if a video is going viral, how Donald Trump spends his millions or billions of dollars, right? So you can take the same concept and just find another successful person who you can actually plug in the title and just use their different person's name, right? So that's a very easy way for you to craft your own blue ocean niche within that niche, because like I said, whatever niche you want to get into has already been created on YouTube. So, and this is a very easy way for you to get success on the platform, and you don't need to be a very creative person, right? Mr. Beast, if you go to Mr. Beast channel, if he already seen that one video has got him millions of views, he just models that video time and time again. You can actually go and do your research on his channel, right? And he actually does the same concepts time and time again. So if your channel videos actually gone viral, it's no point of you just testing another thing, right? Just keep doing the same stuff and just keep changing the title, keep changing the concept, what has already worked in the other channel and other niches. So that's the very easy way for you to get success with your YouTube automation channel. And hopefully this video helps you out with finding the right niche for yourself. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and make sure to also check out this free training that I did regarding YouTube automation, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.